great wide world in epic detail, hunting the unknown with ultra-sharp vision. This is AUTEL Robotics EVO II series, ushering in a new era of aerial shooting. EVO II, the world's first 8K camera drone, brings you unmatched video resolution to capture the world with never-before outstanding realized clarity and details. Featuring 10-bit A-log in-color profile, EVO II records up to 1 billion colors. Its stunning 4K HDR videos stand out with greater dynamic range, delivering the kind of wow factor image quality improvement that you covet once after experiencing it. The powerful AF function as well as the slow motion video mode is ideal for high-speed motion shooting by providing smooth and clear footage. Thanks to 4x lossless zoom and defogging mode, EVO II is perfect for capturing the fantastic world without missing any details. EVO II is for epic details, and EVO II Pro is all about professional photography. It commands a powerful 20-megapixel 1-inch sensor and the f2.8 adjustable aperture, capturing stunning aerial photos with premium color and controlled lighting. With excellent low-light performance, EVO II Pro provides incomparable night view footage. Equipped with FLIR camera, EVO II Dual provides visible and thermal imaging with remarkable performance, perfect for commercial and first responder use. Featuring AUTEL Robotics' latest flight control system, the EVO II series offers an unparalleled flight experience, so intuitive, every flight seems effortless. The drone is covered with 12 sensing cameras, achieving the stunning omnidirectional high-speed obstacle avoidance by creating real-time accurate 3D map of the environment, as well as automatic path planning. Aided by a dual-core powered object detection system, it recognizes up to 64 subjects at once for no hesitation pinpoint tracking. Up to 40 minutes flight time and achieves a maximum speed of 72 kilometers per hour. Your creativity could be fueled more by longer time of flight. Unmatched vision system, as well as intelligent than ever. Magic is within your grasp. This is EVO II series.